Earnin App Review 2025 is Earnin Legit. Pros and cons. You won't believe how cash advance apps have evolved in 2025. Earnin promises no interest advances on earned wages, budgeting tools, and transparent tips, but is it actually legit? The surprising truth is transparency. Most people get this wrong by thinking payday apps are predatory. Earnin allows users to access a portion of earned wages before payday without mandatory fees. Users can choose a tip to support the service, making it more ethical than traditional payday loans. One major advantage is the financial control. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like balance alerts, spending insights, and reminders to prevent overdrafts. Earnin also integrates with bank accounts for seamless tracking of deposits and repayments. The app also offers optional features such as Health Aid and Balance Shield, which help cover unexpected medical expenses or prevent overdraft fees. This adds extra value beyond simple cash advances. However, there are cons. Users must have regular direct deposits to qualify, and repeated advances without proper budgeting may create dependency. Optional tips, while voluntary, can add up over time, and not all banks are fully supported. In conclusion, Earnin in 2025 is a legitimate and useful tool for early access to earned wages, financial tracking, and budgeting. While responsible use is essential, its transparency, optional tips, and extra protections make it a safer alternative to traditional payday loans or high-interest advances.